When starting the DX22-P grinder, it is important to make sure you always wear your proper PPE, including a personal CO monitor. It is also important to familiarize yourself with the manufacturer's manual prior to operating. Manuals are easy to access via the QR code on the grinder. When you first approach, move the weights into their back position to make tilting the machine back easier. Use the handles and the kickstand to lean the machine back to expose the underside of the head. The DX22-P comes with built-in magnetic tool holders. Your tooling will snap directly onto the base plate. Make sure to use the correct bolt to ensure the tooling is secure. Once your tooling is secure, lean the machine back upright. On the rear of the machine, you will see a bubble level and a height adjustment knob. Turn the knob until the machine is level to the ground. This will help prevent uneven cutting of the floor and prevent uneven tool wear. Next, mount a vapor tank to the back of the machine and attach the propane hose. Ensure that you are only using vapor propane tanks that are 3/4 filled or less. Liquid propane can and will damage your machine. Once you've mounted the tank, if you want to wet grind, attach the hose to the water connection on the opposite side of the cam lock. If running dry, attach a dust vacuum to the 2.5-inch cam lock port on the side of the machine. Pull the wings of the cam lock back to lock the hose attachment in place. Make sure to turn your vacuum on before you begin grinding. Flip the breaker to the on position and open the valve on your propane tank. Adjust the handle and the control panel to a comfortable operating position. On the control panel, you will see an emergency stop button. Use this button in case of an emergency to quickly shut your machine down. Before starting the machine, check to ensure the emergency stop is not engaged by twisting the switch. The LED switch controls the lights on the front and the back of the machine. When you turn the key switch to accessories, you see RPMs, hours, and other useful information on the Safe Air Monitor or SAM unit screen. To the left side of the control panel, you will see a clutch switch and a startup ignition switch. To start your machine, turn the key switch until the machine starts up. If the machine doesn't start up after 5 seconds, turn the key back and try again. Do not hold the key in the startup position, as this can cause unnecessary wear or battery drain. Please note, turning the key slightly to the accessory position will turn the SAM unit on and allow you to access the electrical components of the machine. However, this doesn't turn the motor on and will drain the battery if left in this position. Once your machine is started, allow some time for the machine to warm up if this is the first time you are using it for the day. Before engaging the clutch, throttle the engine all the way up. Then engage the clutch using a switch on the control panel. To turn the DX22-P off, start by disengaging the clutch and then throttle the machine down. For best practice, turn the propane tank valve off and allow the engine to completely shut down before flipping the key switch to the off position. Finally, flip the breaker back into the off position before leaving the machine off for long periods of time. Follow the daily maintenance guidelines in the owner's manual.